Well, hello there, YouTube. Hopefully my mic is working. It's plugged into the Media Mod and my external microphone I have in the camera. But I took a ride to excuse me, Durant, Oklahoma, just for the heck of it. I think it was Monday probably, and I had some good video and I talked about some stuff and I had no sound. So hopefully I have sound this time. It's I have the Media Mod on the Hero 11 Black. Well, there we go with another problem with the GoPro. Brand new battery, but I left it in the camera for a couple days and the battery was low, so I had to put another battery in. I'm not happy with GoPro. Bye. Well, hello there, YouTube. I didn't say what the date today is. May 18th. Hopefully I have some audio. I know the wires, the jack is plugged into my Media Mod. It's the only way you can get audio on GoPros. You can't use USB-C. They don't work. So hopefully I'll have, close. Oh, there we go. Close more. Hopefully I'll have some audio. So I took a ride to Durant, Oklahoma. It's only about, probably less than 2 hours from where I live in Caddo. So it was a nice ride. The casino is huge. I mean, I've never been in it before, and I just took a walk through, and I don't gamble, so I just walked through. I don't like to waste money on that. I think the most I've ever spent on gambling is $5 years ago. And again, oh gosh, several years ago. $5 is all I'll spend, and that goes in 1 second, so not a big gambler. Might as well throw my wallet in the weeds. So hopefully I get some audio. So I don't know where I'm going. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, hello there, YouTube. Hopefully my sound is still working. I took a ride down to through Taro, through Kaufman, took 175 over to Crandall. Now I'm heading back up north. I'm on what is it, 148? Goes through Forney, I think, where I had this thing at for 2 months. Then they never finished it. Lost all my parts that I sent with it, so I finished it myself. But I had BRP sent me a survey, asked how my service went, and I gave them a 0 because they had it for 2 months. They lost all my parts that I set down with there, so I had to go, and I even sent them extra push pins, and they lost all that. And they lost all the pins that went here, the screws that went on that thing, but they found them. So I finished putting back together. The saddlebag would not even open because it wasn't put back together. So I went and bought a 8mm nut, bolt, put it all back together, and everything works great. So, no more. They don't have qualified technicians, but they charged me $627 in labor. And didn't even finish it. They just, it's just so frustrating. I finished it myself. The only reason I took it down there, I couldn't get the emergency brake cable back on. Apparently that take-up wheel was bad, and they charged me $200 for that. I'm sure they probably would have charged me $200 for the cable too, which I got for $75 at my door. not doing that again. I'll just continue to work on it myself. But heading back home. Talk to you later. Bye. My wife and I flew through Terrell, well, maybe last week after we coming home from San Antonio to see our newest granddaughter. And in Terrell, there's a road called Jamie Foxx Drive, and it has a number 12, like a football helmet. And I'm thinking, oh no, that's the same Jamie Foxx that we all know for movies and that kind of stuff. My wife said, it can't be. And I said, I bet it is. I went home and Googled it, and it sure is. Jamie Foxx went to high school in Terrell, Texas, and he was a quarterback. And I already had aspirations to be a Dallas Cowboy, but I think he made a better choice doing what he's doing. Actor, movie, singer. I think I did Ray Charles too, didn't he? But it is the same Jamie Foxx. I don't know if he knows he's got a road named after him. But I thought that was pretty cool. Bye. Now here's a High Point Ranch. When we first started looking at homes, we looked out here because they got some good property, but there wasn't really anything available. And it's Rockwall County, so the taxes are a lot higher. But it's a nice neighborhood. I've gone that way before. I'm going to go this way. They got some, oh, here's an open house down here. Look at, they got horses out here. Because they got some pretty decent properties. Kind of a mud hole. I think some of these lots are bigger than what I have in my neighborhood. I got 2 acres. Some people have 4. So these are pretty good size. Now I'll keep my head straight. I won't keep it on too long because it's a little boring. I think there's another exit out up here. A lot for sale. I think the lots out here, oh gosh, my wife looked at the $500,000 for the lot. Oh no, I forgot. I think it probably was though. It's probably why they're still for sale. And this neighborhood's been around a while. Nice neighborhood though. I think I'll go back out. Open house that way. Pretty warm out today. 91 degrees. Ooh, there's a nice shop. Corvette too. I'll turn it off. Bye.